Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravey. And guys, for this video, as you can see, it's been brew day here in the brewery, Gravey's Brewery, whatever you want to call it. And, well, very quick, this is what I've been brewing today. My MoVie Pale Ale. There's a little look at the grains for you. Now I have added my first lots of hops, which right there, Mosaic. I have added my first lot of hops, which was just over 12 grams of Mosaic. This is just under 6 grams of Mosaic, 5.9 grams I believe, if my memory serves me. That will be going in about 35 minutes time. And then in the last 15 minutes I will be adding the rest of these hops. Again, in that last 15 minutes, there's around about 5 minutes and flame out. And I will be fermenting with this particular yeast, Imperial's A38 juice. Very good yeast in my opinion, especially for fruity pale ales. As of right now, I can't exactly tell you the gravities. Keep your eye out on the description of this video. I will be popping the numbers down there when I come to them. But I just wanted to let you know that I am still around, I am still brewing. I'm probably gonna do a video in the next day or two, maybe even later on this evening, I don't know. I just let you all know what I've been doing. But again, I just wanted to let you know what I was doing in terms of brewing today. Alright guys, well, that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravey. I'll see you later. Cheers.